Good morning. I welcome you to your favorite channel, A Moment with Rokwaro. Now, I hope you are enjoying the causes of clergy burnout. Now, there is another problem which contributes to clergy burnout, and this is what we call the Messiah complex. Now, with the Messiah complex, the clergyman tend to think that they are surrogate Jesus Christ or surrogate Muhammad or whatever. They tend to think that actually they are the one who should be behaving like Jesus Christ while awaiting the real Jesus Christ to come here on earth. And so now with this belief that they are surrogate Messiah, they end up now putting a lot of burden, putting a lot of things, a lot of pressure on themselves, and so they end up suffering. Because you see, Jesus Christ, he was perfect. He was God himself. And so for any mortal to imagine that they could measure to within, then that is going to be at all under. And so now, when a clergy think that they are above everyone else, they tend to think they are also more like Jesus Christ. They are going to put themselves into a lot of problem. And how are they going to put themselves into a lot of problem? They are going to put into a lot of problem because they are not going to meet those expectations. They have already drawn a circle around them, a circle of perfection, a circle of a Messiah, which they may not measure. And so, having that messianic belief, messianic hope, and messianic ideology is going to make you have a lot of problem, and it is going to contribute to burnout, and you are going to suffer very much, especially in this modern world of a lot of competitive needs. So the Messiah complex can contribute to the burnout which we have in this age and which the clergymen are experiencing. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a great moment. Thank you.